Posting content. So this is where a lot of people get nervous. They're like, oh my goodness, I don't know how to post. I don't know what to post. You know what? Assume nobody will see it at all. The likelihood is that such a small percentage of people out there will see it. And even if they do, they're gonna forget it 10 seconds later. So do it for yourself. But there are some fundamentals here that are so important that I want you to know so you can start off on the right foot and get into that minority of people who are nailing it from the start. The first principle I want you to know is that the riches are in the niches. Have you ever heard that? Yes, they are. You see, the more you nail down, the more specialist you are. And the specialists are the ones that are paid the highest. The specialists are the ones that people go to. I need to connect with that person because they are the only one I know that do this. Now, let me give you a tangible example of that. Imagine I'm selling portable treadmills. Hey, you want to buy a portable treadmill? You need a portable treadmill. You're thinking, what's going on? No, I don't. I'm fine. And I don't like treadmills when I can go for a walk. So now I'm going to use something called the call out. And here's how it goes. I help busy professionals lose 10 kilos in 90 days without hitting the gym. You see, I just called out people. I called out those who may feel a little bit over the weight on the desks or like they're neglecting their health, and I'm calling them out. So what I want to do is to get their curiosity. So they say, what's this? And they slow it down. You see, that could be a tagline. That could be a post. Here's another one. I could start a post like this. A recent report shared that women who did more than 10,000 steps a day lived significantly longer than those who did less than 4,000 steps per day. Here's the report. Now you see, have I got your curiosity? Oh wow, how can I get more steps in a day? How can I do this? Hey, well that's where I want to jump on them on a call. And I'll say, are you stuck behind the desk all day? Yes. Are you able to move? I have no time to move. I have no time to hit the gym. I don't even enjoy the gym. Okay, well here's a portable treadmill and you can just put it under your desk and you can walk on it underneath your desk whilst you're working, and you're going to do your 10,000 steps and beyond without losing any time. Is this something that could be of interest to you? If you don't lose weight in 90 days and you've done your steps, I'll give you your money back. You see, a lot of people may use that kind of tactic, but do you see where they're coming from? Do you see their approach? Now I know it sounds cheesy, and that's probably not you. We're a lot more sophisticated than that, right? But however, I want to show you the power of getting attention and taking them to a solution. Again, we're selling baby, not the labor pains.
Hey Insider, your post and praise days are over. This episode is sponsored by Content Conversion System. Learn never share LinkedIn algorithm to boost your social engagement, grow your best fit followers, and bring your dream clients to your DMs on autopilot. I cannot wait to see you there. And now let's get back to the episode.
So here's the instructions to create some great content. You see, your content should fit into one of three categories. It should either entertain, educate, or inspire. And if you do all three in one post, well, you've got something, my friend, that will go potentially viral. Really, it will. So I want you to remember those three principles and abide by them. Are you educating, or are you entertaining, or are you inspiring? And try to aim to do all three if you really want to blow it up. So if you're not ticking one of those boxes, take a look at your content one more time. So these are the things that you could think about. What are people saying about your product or service? What's the improvement they're going to see? How long will it take to see it? What are the benefits? Why you or your product and service and not your competitors? What are you doing that others are not doing? Share that thing and share the why. And if you can occasionally drop some data in there for those data-driven people, well, you're going to rock it with them too. So if there's any reports, you can say a recent report is here. And I don't just want you to repeat what you've seen on a headline. No way. People don't want to see that. They want to see your twist. Remember, you're a thought leader, you're an expert, you have an opinion, and your opinion counts. So put it out there. For example, I might see a headline or report that I agree with, and then I'll put it on there, and I'll say, here's my take. And that's what I want you to do. Get your opinion out there. Get some reaction, positive or negative. Get a discussion going. This is where you're going to jump out from everybody else out there. Definition of done. Now you can do this either in a text post, you can add a photo, you can make a video. Any format works, whatever you are most comfortable with. But I want you to click post. So I want you to write your content. I want you to check, does it entertain, educate, or inspire? If it doesn't, I want you to get it right until it does. And if you're hitting all three, oh my God, you just blew it up. So once you've done that, I want you to put it out there and I want you to click post. What time you're gonna say. It can be in the morning before people head into the office. It can be when people are heading out of the office. It can be during lunchtime. I would imagine that you want to do that in your own personal time zone. So whatever time zone you're in, think about that. Think about when you jump on social media and post at that time. You know what? There's no right or wrong. So go ahead and do it, click post, and then you're done. You can move on to the next one. And if you like the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more content just like this.